Your safety and security at home heavily rely on the quality of your door lock. It is the first line of defense against potential burglars and intruders. With a reliable door lock, you can have peace of mind knowing that your family and valuable possessions are protected. Elemake recognizes the importance of having a secure home. That's why they offer a wide selection of door locks that not only are affordable, but also of a high quality. Whether you need a simple lock or an advanced one with smart features, Elemake has got you covered. This is the Elemake keyless entry door lock. This is a highly reliable, secure mechanical lock that operates using a 12-button keypad. It provides the convenience of keyless entry, allowing users to leave their keys behind and enjoy the freedom of not having to worry about losing them. Constructed with high quality materials, this lock is designed to withstand the test of time. The deadbolt mechanism ensures that the door remains securely locked, providing peace of mind for homeowners. One of the best things about this lock is its mechanical operation, which means that it doesn't require any power source to function. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want a reliable lock without having to worry about power outages or replacing batteries. We're not all into the smart stuff. At its current asking price, the Elemake keyless entry door lock offers great value for money, making it an extremely affordable yet secure choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their home security. With that said, let's unbox this guy and get it installed. So upon opening the package, you will discover that it is equipped with all the essential components for successfully setting this up and installing the lock. You don't need anything else. From screws to detailed instructions, this product comes with everything you need. The deadbolt lock assembly is somewhat easy to install and can be done without any professional help. First, it is best to set the PIN code you want on the lock first before you actually put it on the door. When setting the PIN code for your lock, it is important to follow each step carefully to ensure that the code is set correctly. Here's what you need to do. Firstly, begin by going to the back of the lock, locate the Phillips head screw in the dead center of the back. To reset the code and add your own pin, you just need to turn the lock to the left. This will push out all of the tumblers, and you can then remove any tumblers that you don't want to use. To set the code, you need to push in the gold tumblers in the order of choice. You can then press them in any sequence that you like, and they will lock into place. To be honest, you don't even have to worry about forgetting your passcode because the lock does come with 3 sets of spare keys that you can use to unlock it. And that's really it in terms of setting up the pin. Now we can go ahead and put this on the door. This door lock is designed to fit standard doors and is compatible with both wood and metal ones that have a thickness between 35 to 50 millimeters. It is suitable for both left and right-handed doors that open inwards or out. The maximum bear hole diameter that it can accommodate is 2 to 1/8 of an inch, making it a very versatile design with wide capabilities for different doors. As mentioned, this lock is mechanical, so you don't have to worry about the battery draining. It's a convenient and easy to use method for those who don't want anything fancy. The deadbolt itself is made of durable stainless steel 304, which is resistant to wear and tear. And thankfully that goes for the keypad too, as it is designed to be wear free, making it practically impossible for anyone to guess your frequently used buttons. The keyless deadbolt lock is a mechanical door lock that is designed to provide maximum security without the need for wires, batteries or electricity. As mentioned, it is constructed with high quality materials, and in turn it is bump proof and pick proof, making it a mammoth task for intruders to try and break in. The keyless design eliminates the need for keys and provides ease of access and convenience. In addition, the keyless deadbolt lock is weather resistant too, and can be used on both interior and exterior doors. Its durable construction ensures that it can withstand harsh weather conditions and last for years to come. Overall, the Elemake keyless deadbolt lock is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and secure lock that provides convenience and ease of use. It certainly is very robust and a great option for those who don't want anything fancy. With that said, be sure to check out this product in a link in the description. Let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.